Whoa. Welcome back, guys. Today we are embarking on our 4-month-long Southeast Asia trip. Come along for the ride and check it out. Ciao! Are you at Sword?
Yeah, we're on the road. I'm also very tired, but it'll be fine.
Good morning, gentle readers. I am Amy Brand of Motueka, New Zealand, and we are about 10 minutes from our descent to Singapore.
So the Singapore leg of our trip was a bit of a surprise. We had an 8-hour stopover, so we decided to take the time to escape the airport, which is amazing by the way, and we went to see the gardens by the bay.
Smells very tropical. Oh, look, there.
The skinky guy. And oh, where's he going? What do you think?
Well, it's not even espresso. I think
I feel like you're in Jurassic Park.
yeah.
Am I in a dream right now? I feel like I'm in a dream.
Whoa!
We've got Amy out here filling up the water for the day, yeah boy! Now this is something that kind of threw me off guard. Everyone in Asia kind of just goes when they want when they're driving around. The traffic is pretty crazy. For a small town New Zealand lad, when I got here I was pretty shocked, but they make it work and it's quite impressive. That cyclo driver almost got smoked by the bus.
Ready to have some lunch at the little table?
Look at our main window. Bit of fresh air. How good. Into the abyss. Yeah, boy.
So we're out and about in Vietnam,
We're doing a bus tour around Hanoi.
and it is hotter than a mother.
It is so hot.
It's a beautiful city, and
We're having a great time.
it's awesome. We're loving it.
Yeah.
Oh, fun time for the pretty lady.
So we've arrived in Ha Yang on the overnight sleeper bus, and I've woken up to realise that it's a tropical thunderstorm with torrential rain. Hopefully the drive is a little bit better on the bikes.
Yeah. Hajang motorbike loop, yeah boy. morning is so rain. Raining.
When on holiday, you gotta keep yourself fit and strong, especially on those long journeys. No excuses. Day 2 of the motorbike loop. Last night we went out for some dinner as a group and had some happy water. Then we moved on to a bit of karaoke and went for a bit of a boogie. It was a good time.
$2 Miller.
Aida quando la mela. Aida quando la mela. Name that movie. So we are looking over towards China. Chinese border.
Hello guys, we are Hazard Loop. I have tour guide for him.
On the motorbikes,
Yeah,
right?
On the motorbike. And now we are at Mapiland Pass. And you can see behind us, that is the Tusa Canyon. So
out.
if you see this video, please give for him a sprite.
What's your name? Lamb?
Lam.
Lamb,
Lamb.
this is Lamb.
Thank you so
He's
much.
been taking us around, they're loving it. Taking us around on the motorbikes. What's your favourite drink?
I love New Zealand.
You love New Zealand?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love New Zealand.
We love being here. Thank you for having us.
Okay.
And now, out doing a bit of off-roading. Good man. You're going in the water, mate. Oh, hello!
We're on the river. I don't know which it's called.
The beautiful one. Oh, she is fucking hot. Freshly laid. God dang. We're on day 3 of the Haiyang motorbike loop and I've found a hemp plant on my morning run. Today we're off to go for a swim in the morning and check out this waterfall. It's beautiful.
Hello guys, my name is Vang. Vang is my Vietnamese name, but my English name is good. Now we are playing this song. Very cool.
I have a... Thank you.
Lấy cái một công việc của mới là nó nay ra chẳng hết được xe. Họ được chẳng nhẹ.
These wax. Yeah.
This after this one is before boiling.
And this is how they make the patterns.
Đứa nào hay bên lá
It's put on the table.
Thank you. Bye bye. It's a beautiful place here out in Vietnam in the Hai Giang Loop. but it can also bucket down with water like this, just out of nowhere. Day 4 of the Haiyang motorbike loop has arrived. Last night was happy water and karaoke, which is standard practice. Today we're going to go check out the largest cave in Haiyang. Misty Mountains. Ooh.
Get the pie. Oh, there's a bat. Bruce Wayne, save me now. Kevin, xylophone. And the musician, Ed Rock. This is Steve Irwin, and we've found our first snake in the cave. He's looking at me, man.
Okay.
One big
Hi, guys.
and one smaller.
It's fucking moving. It's real.
The Haiyang motorbike loop has been the best part of the trip so far. The Hmong people have a beautiful home and it is truly remarkable. Hanoi was a busy, lively place and quite the culture shock from home in New Zealand. Everywhere people are selling, it's their livelihood, so they are very friendly and pushy, but sometimes a bit deceptive. I'm inspired by their hospitality and their industriousness, and the bargaining is pretty great too. I much preferred the slower life we saw and felt in Haiyang. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please keep an eye out for the next one, which will be coming out soon. Joe!